Good morning from Western Material Handling. It's Dennis and Stefan. Today we're looking at a Clark 3,000 pound cushion tower forklift. It's our stock number 2453. This is in our Fort Collins store. This forklift only has 6,500 hours. It's got good traction tires. 189 triple mast with side shift. Very maneuverable because of the cushion tire and also because it's a 3K. Forklift will work in your warehouse very well. Spawn's going to run the mast up. It's a 3-stage with full free lift. (189 inches) in that beautiful Colorado sky. 15 feet 9 inches. Show us the tilt. Reverse tilt. Forward tilt. And this is equipped with side shifts. You got about 7 inches of movement side to side. This is our stock number 2453. Thanks for looking at our video. Come to Western Material Handling, Denver or Fort Collins. Check us out on the web, abetterforklift.com. Thanks for looking at our video.